Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing an Among Us police officer. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Also, if you want to see more Among Us drawing tutorials, please check out my Among Us drawing tutorials playlist. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the hat. Draw a slight diagonal line across here. Now on the left side, draw a short curved line above. Draw another curved line here. Now draw a short straight line inwards. Continue the line up and to the right, stopping here. Continue the line again to the right, curving it down and back in slightly. Finish off the hat shape with the straight line down and connect it to the bottom line. Now let's draw the brim of the hat. Starting from the bottom left of the hat, draw a straight line to the right, come out further, and then curve it back in and attach it here. Now let's draw the badge on the hat. Draw two short lines here on the right side. Next, on either side, draw two short diagonal lines outwards. In between these lines, draw a small upside down V. Connect the V shape to the sides with straight lines. Next, let's draw the face shield. Draw a line across to the right and then curve it down. On the left side of this line, draw a line down and curve it in. Close off the shape like this. Now let's draw the sides of the body. Let's start with the left side. Starting under the left side of the hat, draw a line down. Stop the line about here. Now draw a long rectangle shape for the holster. Now under the rectangle, draw a shorter line down for the side of the leg. Now let's hop over to the other side and draw the right side of the body. Draw a curve from under the brim of the hat to the face shield. Continue this same curve under the face shield downwards, stopping about here. Now hop back over to the left side. From the bottom here, draw a curved line across for the bottom of the foot. Draw a straight line down for the other side of the leg. Next, draw a curved line across here for the bottom of the body. Now, draw the other leg with the same rectangular shape. Next, let's draw the backpack. On the left side of the body, draw a long rectangular shape here. Next, let's draw the clothing details. Inside the body, draw a curved line across here for the top of the shirt. Next, draw two more curved lines close together here around the level of the holster for the belt. Inside the belt on the right side, draw two lines for the belt buckle. Now above the belt buckle, draw a straight line down here. Next, let's draw the badge on his shirt. On the right side of his shirt, draw a straight line. Now draw a U shape under it. To finish off the shirt, let's draw the collar. On the left of the vertical line, draw a rounded V shape. On the right side of the line, draw a diagonal line down to the top of the badge. Lastly, draw a curved line across the bottom of each leg. And that's it for this Among Us police officer. Now let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.